Good evening and welcome back. Some of you may have noticed I've changed the channel name. A couple of reasons. One, it's a bit easier. When I first set up Rush Outside Wales, Rush Outside was taken, but now it's not. The American who had that channel handle added TV to the end of it, so it's now become available. So it's just plain and simple Rush Outdoors. So here I am, Rush Outdoors. So I'm heading just to a hill tonight for a solo wild camp. Sort of a last minute decision. Just wanted to get out. Long tough week in work. It's bank holiday weekend. So I just thought, come for a nice quiet one. And there we have the Canadai. Just behind that tree is Mole Shabod. Looking towards the Mulwins. Anyway, right, I'm going to go and find this spot. A little bit nervous there, passing them cows. Oh, what a view. What a view. So I got this contraption a while back. I don't think I've done it right, but who knows? Possibly have. Might not have. First time having a go anyway. Thermarest tracker chair that fits with your Thermarest mat. Gives you a bit of a comfy seat. Back in the Nature Hike Cloud Peak 2 tonight. Just gives me more room because the forecast keeps changing. But look at this. See, right across to the Berwins. That's Fol Goch, the northernmost Arenig Vower, and more Cliffnant. Behind that in the distance, you can just make out Cadair Idris. Beautiful. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. You can see the clag rolled in on top of the Canadai now. But what a view. Cracking spot. Cracking spot. So just over there is Llynbrennig, towards that wind farm. And I think that hill there in the distance might be where I took Danielle for a wild camp that time with the ruins of the manor. Yeah, what a place, what a spot. Beautiful. Cheers everyone. Much needed little wild camp tonight. lovely quiet spot. Got a new bag that I've brought. I'm really impressed with it. First impression's really good. Got this Thermarest Trekker chair kit. Let's go. I don't think I've done it right first time, but it's my first go. But it is a game changer. It beats having to carry a chair or that folding thing that I used to carry. It's lighter, packs down better. But I'll get the hang of it eventually, of how to actually use it properly. Yeah. Just gonna chill, a few beers outside the tent till it goes dark. Watching the views on the sunset. Look at that. And then there's the mighty Welsh Shabod. And then see what happens. Stunning views this, man. Absolutely stunning. Not sure if you can see that large row of lights heading up the mountain. Trying to think which one it is now. However, look at that. Beautiful moon. Renigvauren Mold Liftnant. Oh, hello. Don't know what that is. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. See where them lights are? I'm wondering if it's still the film crew that have been filming around Snowdonia for the second series of House of Dragon. Just seems really high up for all that amount of lighting. I've never seen it before. Look at that beautiful moon. It's like a pinky orange colour. Might start seeing some of the lights around the mountain tops soon. You can certainly hear all the animals. And there's Taliban. Just moving the stuff inside tonight. Got my roll bends close cell mat as well as me ripcord thingamajigger. Tracker chair still up. Still got me goodies. There's the moon. Not seeing many lights, if any, over on the hilltops on the Canardite. Weather might have put people off tonight. It's forecast thunderstorms early in the morning over there. But anyway, I'm going to enjoy the night. Boop boop. Got loads of visitors. Morning campers. Daddy Longlegs have all got inside. Not in the inner, they're just on the outside of the inner. And there's two humping in a minute ago. Right, time to pack away. Miserable outside. Let's get this done. I didn't sleep too bad tonight, last night. A bit of rain came down through the night. But on and off. And then it was more this morning between 4 and now, really, well, about half an hour ago. Right, start getting ready to pack away. Let's pack away. So, I got this new 3FUL lightweight tent, and I gotta admit, it is the shiz. Fair play. Lightweight, loads of room. For a 40 plus 16, it's amazing. But look at this now. Wouldn't want to be over the canal there this morning. Looks a bit dodgy over there. But look at this as we pan round on the cloud inversion. Look at this one on the Denby Moors. Stunning. And remember, everybody, leave no trace. Just a flattened down patch of grass. No rubbish. No nothing. Keep it that way. Right, I'm going before it starts raining. Ciao for now. Moody morning. Moody, moody. Yippee. Imagine waking up to views like this every morning. Obviously when the weather's a bit better. Absolutely stunning. I'll win the lottery, I'll buy a big house or a plot of land up here. Well, that's it for another adventure. Hope you don't mind the channel name change, bit catchier. Well, thank everybody that follows me and has stayed from day one. Hope you enjoy the content that I make. If you like this video, you know the script. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. Take care. See you on the next one.